What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to request money from somebody on paypal.com, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. So before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you make sure to stay alerted whenever we post another video. So let's say you need to receive money from somebody and that somebody has problems finding you when he's sending you the money. So before we move on, we already done a video on how to send money, so make sure to check it out if you're having problems. So back to the topic. So you need somebody to send you some money, but they don't know how. So the easiest way is for you to request money from them. So let's do it. So as you can see on the home page on paypal.com, we are having these two yellow options, send and request. We are gonna send request. So I'm gonna be blurring out some of the parts because of the sheer privacy. So here you're having request money from anyone. You can request multiple payments from up to 20 people. So just enter a name, username, email, or mobile. So give me a second. So after you enter the amount of money, just press next. Then we are having request money and split the bill. So deducted your share from the total. So request money, you just basically request money from this person. So basically you over here press request money, then enter over here to add value. So let's say we are requesting $20. What's it for? You don't need to press this because automatically this is gonna be the next question. So request now. So of course we did not had the question, so you requested $20 from this email address. So you just go back to the home page, the person basically got the request, and you will just have to wait for it to basically send it to you. So hopefully guys this video was helpful to you. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Again, as I mentioned, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Goodbye guys.